Guys, I can't believe I am just now starting the vlog for today. I just have not had a free moment today to start this. I woke up at like 9 this morning just because I got back late from the Nutcracker last night, and then I had breakfast with Aidan, and then I went straight to the school, uploaded my vlog, and then I studied for about 2 hours. Didn't get as much as I would like to have gotten done. Tomorrow I'm definitely going to be cramming. I'm just like really exhausted for some reason. I'm sorry I'm starting the vlog in this kind of mood. What I want to do is just like lay on the couch and watch Gossip Girl, but I know I need to get a workout in. Even if it's just like 30 minutes, I just know it'll be good for me. So I got to go for a run, which is why I have all my weird workout clothes on that don't match because I need to do laundry. Tonight I'm taking Aidan to the One World Trade Center restaurant for his Christmas present, which usually we don't do super nice things like this all the time. It just happens to be around Christmas time, and this is like what we got each other, and so I'm just like really drained for some reason. But I also have all this laundry back there that like needs to be put away. It's not even laundry, it's just clothes that have piled up in my chair. I like need to go to church and just like reset because I'm just feeling very overwhelmed right now. I was studying at my school when I was coming back, and basically there's one stop before you get to Brooklyn on this train, and I was taking the train, everything was okay, and then it's like, this will be the last stop on this train, and it just stopped before I got to Brooklyn. So I had to walk to another stop, and my backpack was really heavy, and I'm complaining a lot, but that is why I'm just like out of breath. I know if I go get a workout in, I will be in a much better mood, so that is what we're gonna do. I just got out of the shower from working out. I'm so happy I decided to do that because I feel so much better. Right now I'm about to get ready. I'm not gonna like full on get ready like I did last night because I honestly have like 40 minutes, so I don't have a ton of time. Also, every time I wear this shirt, I always get questions about where it's from. And this is Kenzie Elizabeth's merch. It says choose to love. I think it's really cute. I just cut it because I usually would like to work out in this shirt. But yeah, let me know who your favorite person to watch on Vlogmas is. I'm watching Abby Aslan's right now, and I really like her videos. I think that she's a really cute college YouTuber if you guys want to check out a new person. Let me know who your favorite is down below. And this is what I'm wearing tonight. It's a lot different than my outfit last night, but I think it's still cute. This is my dress. I feel like it kind of looks like a church dress, but I just think it's really classy. I got this at the Bloomingdale's outlet, and it just has like a cute little collar. And then I think that the bottom is really pretty because it's like kind of twirly. Then I just have on the same black tights and then my Mark Fisher heels. Wait, no, do this one first.
No, do this one first.
No, do this one first. Because that one I know you'll like. You're very careful openers.
It does have the...
I don't know what it says on the boat.
Long Island Sound. Bristol.
No, the other one.
Oh, Providence.
Yeah.
This is only $1.
Well, the print was good.
Bristol's also in Rhode Island. I really love it. It's like the bit of water between New York, Connecticut, and Long Island. Thank you, babe.
And if you like, if you take it out, it has like a little calendar on the back.
That's so cool.
I took it out because I wanted to make sure it wasn't hideous.
Looks really warm.
For my camera, I was recording his
reaction.
Sorry. No, you grab it. Don't mind me.
I got him this sweater, but I described it and the description was not good, so he was unsure.
I like it though.
I think it looks nice. Whoa. This is a different kind of video.
There's no getting around it. We will be kept tomorrow.
Like an office.
That's like the most backhanded compliment. Did you help me with it?
Yeah.
You're not recording yourself?
No, I am.
Aww.
Because you're always looking at them online. I figured you should have it for your coffee table.
Aww. Thanks for that, honey.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
I'm happy you like it.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and I basically just woke up this morning and I went to church. I'm continuing this vlog on from yesterday just because today isn't gonna have a ton of footage because I'm studying, but after this I will for sure be having everyday uploads because I'm gonna be done with finals. But I just have my one big test tomorrow, so right now I am cleaning. Let me know down below if you're one of those people that can't study and get stuff done if your apartment's a mess. It's not even that messy, it's just there's certain things that I'm like, making me cringe. So doing some cleaning this morning, but church was really good. I'm so happy that I went this morning. But yeah, that's what's up. I'm gonna go clean the bathroom, put some essential oils in this room, and then just start studying again for my test tomorrow. I wanted to show you guys the gifts that Aidan got me yesterday because I recorded my reaction, but I didn't really show it. I always look at designer wedding dresses on Instagram. It's not even because like I want to get married soon. I just think it's really interesting seeing different like dress designs. So he got me this really pretty coffee table book, and it has like all, it's Vogue wedding dresses. It's basically all these different designers, and they have like pictures throughout history, and it was honestly such a sweet, thoughtful gift. I just think that it's really, really pretty. And no, this is not a hint that I'm gonna get married soon. It's definitely not. This is just more of like something that I like to do in my free time. I think it's really interesting to look at like different styles. So. So right now I am copying all of these formulas onto my own formula sheet because we get to use a formula sheet on our test, and I'm listening to chill out music because it makes me calm while I'm studying. Feet, my clothes drying. Update, it is now 6 o'clock and I've been sitting here since 2 o'clock studying. I just finished doing, this is for my decision analysis and operations management class, which is really boring. I just spent like 4 hours, probably like 3.5 hours doing all of the math portions of what I'm supposed to be doing, and now I'm gonna go over concepts, which I'm just assuming won't take as long, but really just like I don't want to finish, but I need to. Right now I'm importing clips and allowing myself to watch these while I take a break because I don't like to take super long breaks, but if you don't take a break, you're gonna go crazy. A lot of you guys ask how I study, so I'm gonna show you guys. I love Quizlet. I think it's great. I created like a set of all the terms that I need to know, and what I like to do is I go through once, just like going through the flashcards, and then the second time I go through it, I like to actually talk. The second time I go through it, I like to actually like talk and say the things out loud because I think I'm both a visual and an auditory learner, and so I like to like really speak whenever I'm studying. So I'm just gonna go through this until I don't miss any. Yeah, this honestly only has about 50 terms in it, I'm pretty sure, and so yeah, shouldn't take too long.